before I was playing it on the guitar, and then I was playing it to drum machine, you know.
Yeah.
And then so it's just a real simple beat. Boom, bah, you know, it's just almost the same beat as what we've got. I mean, Steve plays it obviously more interesting
than the machine does. Yeah, right.
But it's the same idea, and then brought it to the Keith and I went to Jamaica with Steve and Matt. And we ran through, and Keith said, "Oh, I love it," and he put his own thing on it,
Yeah.
And it's pretty. That was one really easy to come together, and those ones sometimes feel really good that when they come together that quickly and everyone falls in on their parts, And then I had to work on the vocals and how to make it more exciting as it goes on, to change the vocal lines and stuff.